Good day, everyone, and welcome to Admiral Markets webinar. Today is Wednesday, and we have our standard live trading session. As you know, we had some nice setups from Monday webinar, and I expect that this trend continues also today. I'm monitoring few trades, and I will be very happy if actually we see some of setups. But if not, then of course I have some pending orders that might get filled during this day or possibly during Asian session. So basically, before we start, guys, as always, be very patient, because patience is the key to trading success. Also, risk disclosure statement stating all possible risks associated with Forex market, and by accepting the risk, you're also proceeding further with me. Also have in mind that CFD and Forex are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So please have in mind that it's not suitable for everyone, and this video is not part of the .co.uk website, but the globalnews.com website. And Christmas comes early with Admiral Markets. You have a great promotion now with a spread rebate on DAX 30 and 14 others, and please go and see the full list on the promotional web page. You can actually have a rebate of spread that is very useful. Why do we trade with Admiral Markets? For all of you who still don't know, excellent index offerings, best order sizes, and very important for all of us traders, negative balance protection policy and volatility protection settings. Definitely use the MT4 and MT5 Supreme Edition. Now, rules for our session recap trades. We use POC zones, master candle setups, bullways, and price action. Everything that you see here is my personal opinion and trades. So it's very important that you understand that everything, literally everything that you see here is only my personal opinion, my own trades, my own setups, and that I actually trade what I see, not what others think. Market opening orders, that is what we do here. We use positional or breakout trading. Okay, so we will see, we always take a look if we have a breakout setup or potentially market setup or pending setup. We don't scalp here, and the reason for me is scalping can be a bit hectic, and it really requires a lot of attention into details, a lot of you know, focusing, and you know, guys, I'm having this webinar in front of very occasionally more than 120 people, so I cannot focus on everything. That is the reason why I cannot scalp here. Recommended risk is 0.5 to 1% per trade, but please do not exceed 2% per trade. Maximum risk that I recommend per day is 5% of your account, because you want to trade like professionals. Have in mind that losing is part of the business. You need to keep your risk under control. You are effectively trading the risk, okay, here with our financial CFD and Forex trading. All setups that I post are valid from Monday to Wednesday and from Wednesday to Friday. Monday until Wednesday are session recap setups. Okay, so session recap setups are valid from Monday to Wednesday, and I hope that you made some nice money, especially your GBP dollar. GBP dollar was excellent trade from Monday recap. Then pending orders are valid from Wednesday till Friday. Okay, so from today till Friday, we have valid pending orders. Don't forget that Friday is day to take profits, and Friday is usually day where you won't see a lot of good trending opportunities, because, well, on Friday, investors and traders usually take profits. They don't want to carry the risk over the weekend, and you will probably find better counter trend moves during Fridays. Use profit stops, guys, very important. You trade intraday, okay? At least my setups, what I post are intraday setups. Because of that fact, you need to protect your profits. So once you're in profit, let's say I use usually, let's say 15, 20 stop, 20 pip stop. So let's say that the price is 25 pips in profit. I usually move my stop loss to plus 20. So I'm securing 20 pips. Occasionally, I can also scale out, meaning that I close a part of my trade and put the rest to break even, securing, we traders call it a free ride. It means that we are actually, because if we put our position to break even plus one, spread will be covered, and we call it riding a free ride. And of course, you can always follow me on Torrential FX. Please do it. It's like my Twitter. And whenever I post a setup, or let's say I see something interesting and I analyze it, I immediately tweet where you can actually see my analysis. Also, some of you might be in my Telegram, Chris and Telegram program. Today we had CAD Swissy trade, excellent trade that they gave us. It actually came 0.3 pips from the target, so it was a very, very good trade, and it gave us like 35 pips. So CAD Swissy on our Telegram service. So you can always ask for that, and I will reply how you can actually get into our Telegram program. So I think it's very useful. Today's trading opportunity, guys, I see potentially 2 more trading opportunities till the end of the day. But guys, you need to watch if this will actually happen today, or maybe if not today, I think it could happen tomorrow. It will be either sell or buy. Now, euro dollar is in no man's land, and here I see a sell at 1880. So please add 15 pip buffer to both sides, because the price zone is actually always 15 pips to both sides. Stop loss is 1910, TP is 8020. Potential buy is 1770, stop loss 1730, and TP is 1820. So it's like, I will show you the screen. Euro dollar is a bit, it's bearish. Definitely it's bearish. But here, yes, euro dollar definitely looks good to sell. I will show you the chart right away, guys. So yes, you see euro dollar definitely good for selling. Everything is aligned, daily time frame, completely aligned, guys. Bearish. This is weekly candle. So this is the range of weekly candle. It goes from monthly H1 towards monthly L3. So weekly candle tells us a lot. Very bearish move on the euro dollar. Daily down. So I'm watching. I really want to sell it, but now at this point, you see everything is going down. Everything, literally. I don't see any pullback. This was a trade. Unfortunately, I missed today. I traded CAD Swissy today, so I missed this move. Well, sometimes you cannot trade everything that you see, so because of that, I missed this move. But guys, well, you know, sometimes it happens. So definitely bearish, but I think we could actually enter a buy trade here at the bottom of this ATR if it gets there. Small counter trend trade. Let's see if it will happen. For a sell trade, I really want to see a pullback. I would like to see a pullback here, guys, on 4-hour time frame. And if it gets to 1880 here, I will sell it, because then if it gets there, it could reject towards this zone here, and this will be like inverted head and shoulders if it gets there. But as I say, I don't know if it will get there. So that is why I'm saying this is a buy trade and this is a sell trade. Yes, we still didn't see the close, guys, of that retail gap. But well, you know, it's like we can say it could have been closed, because the low of this candle is 1885 and the price went to 1878. It's like 5-6 pips. You know, sometimes when price gets to 5-6 pips close to the gap, market might think and might consider it closed. So as I say, markets are not perfect, guys. So that is why very occasionally you will see that markets are not moving as you think they should. So it's like, you know, it's not very, very logical. Because of that, guys, well, maybe we can even think that the gap has been closed. Okay. Alexander Dorin is asking me, do I have a Marimet indicator? Yes. Please ask a Marimet indicator. Definitely I have it, and I will send you. It's free for you. It's ECS Marimet indicator. So just ask, and yes, guys, I will send it. Marimet, indeed. Just send me an email. Okay. Send a request to my email. Okay, and I will process it. Next trade that I see possible is dollar yen. This is typo. I will sell dollar yen. Let me correct this. I would like to sell dollar yen, and I would like to sell it at around this level. So we will see. We should probably see a trade soon. So this could be a sell trade here, 112.35. It looks like it could go for a sell. And let's see where the dollar yen is. It's getting close to it. So first, we didn't have such good data on dollar yen today. Actually, dollar yen Q3 non-farm productivity dropped to 3.0 and expected was 3.3. So I'm not sure that it's good for dollar yen. Definitely, it's not good for dollar. So I am looking to sell a dollar yen. To me, this looks like potential scalp swing because 4 hour is having a nice downtrend. 1 hour could actually, yes, it's retracing. So if it gets there, I will be probably looking for a sell signal, and we could see a sell. This is also a nice zone here. So we are looking to sell here. So yeah, so thank you for your comment, Alexander. Yeah, so yes. Okay, no, I don't trade retracements because, guys, you know what can happen? It can happen that price starts rejecting now, right? So you're not trading retracements. You're trading a pull. You're trading after a retracement happens. So because it's a downtrend, you want to sell when price goes up. Sometimes the price will not pull back there, and it can turn instantly down. That is why we don't trade retracements. We actually trade pullback. Okay? It's very important to think about it. Kelvin is asking, please review Euro New Zealand. Is this a buying opportunity because we have a strong support at weekly L3 on 4-hour chart? I still haven't, actually, Kelvin, I still haven't decided whether I would, because I have my own method. You already know that, Camarilla MACD, and few things in Camarilla MACD still needs to be finished, like I need to do a complete overhaul of counter trend trading. And because I have this type 2 indicator here, type 3 indicator, sorry, this is type 3 indicator on my Camarilla MACD, I will align type 3 indicator to counter trend trading. So counter trend trading module with my Camarilla MACD will be completely revised. Just that module. Everything will stay the same, but counter trend trading will be based on divergence, type 3 entries, and generally Camarilla MACD MTF template. So because of that, I'm not ready to post counter trend setups as of yet. The only thing is, as I say, euro dollar, because it's a range pair and the ATR is usually respected. So it's not according to my Camarilla MACD, but according to pure price action. Better to say it like that. So regarding Euro New Zealand, Let's see. I should have it here. If not, yeah, here. Euro New Zealand. What does my Camarilla dashboard says? It's you see, Kelvin. It's daily bearish trend. So we cannot go with bullish entries yet. Okay, daily is bearish. Watch this weekly candle. Watch this histogram. It's bearish. Thick red, and candles are bearish. 4-hour time frame. It's retracing. You see this thinning histogram. It's retracing, but it still needs to go more to the upside. 1-hour time frame. 1 hour can give us an entry, but it already happened here. So if you traded this Camarilla MACD entry here, I would advise that you close profits now, because it's already, you see, it's already at support. It's already, it's below weekly L3, but it's already at this, close to this daily L4 support. And if you traded this, close your short and wait for a pullback. I would go with a sell or Euro New Zealand. But I really want to see a deeper pullback. I simply cannot sell it now. And I don't know if this will go up and down. We really need to be careful with those trades. When we have a signal, then we sell or buy. We cannot do it now, guys. It's very important. You cannot just buy or sell because it's hitting the level. It needs to be aligned. It definitely needs to be aligned. Okay? So very important to align all these important things. Okay. So let's see what we will have. Dollar yen is interesting because it's still going up, and yeah, it's still going up. Question, isn't there a triple top on Euro New Zealand? Watch this. It is a triple top, but if it breaks it, because you see, I mean, it's clear. It needs to break this trend line in order to proceed to next support. But how many pips is till next support? 11 pips, guys. 11 pips is, I would say, it does not have a big room till next support. Definitely, this is not a big room till next support. So you need to be patient. You cannot trade short. I would close my short if I traded this rejection. So I would go, if it gets above this, I would sell it. But not now. Really, I cannot sell now. Pound yen. Okay, guys, wait. We go step by step. Pound yen. Yes, we would like to sell pound yen, but only if the price goes a little bit higher. I will open, yeah, just wait for a second. I will open my other template. I will show you right away. Okay. Price action, guys. Price action trading school template. Okay. Price action trading school template here. I will show you right away GBP, and this is price action trading school template, and pound yen. It is retracement, indeed. But see this. This is 1 hour time frame. It is going up. 4 hour time frame. It's still bearish, bearish and bearish. Watch this candle on 4 hour. I already have a trade on my live account, and that is pound yen. I'm monitoring this trade, and I have a live. But guys, for this you really need to have a big stop. I wouldn't advise you to play if your account is not big enough. You need to have 60 pip stop loss for this trade. So that is why I'm saying, okay, I cannot give you, this is counter trend trade opportunity, but because this is Camarilla MACD, I'm still testing counter trend module on my Camarilla MACD. So that is the reason I didn't give you a buy setup, but I'm showing you a buy setup on my live account. If you want to join, you can do it. But guys, you need to know that stop loss needs to be here. And if you're not ready for that, then don't trade it. Elmo is saying that there is an opportunity indeed. And if it gets there, I will be selling it. 150.90 is a good level to sell pound yen. But that would be considered a trend trade again. Okay? That would be considered a trend trade. Because pound yen is pretty much bearish at this point. So if it gets there, we would see a probably, I still need to see if my indicators align, but it could be a trend trade. So I'm watching for this zone, indeed 150.90, but then again, I'm long, and this is counter trend trade opportunity. My long trade on Camarilla MACD, guys, it's not based on Camarilla MACD counter trend module. Have in mind, for all of you who trade Camarilla MACD, I still need to revise the module. I already told you that. But it is based on price action trading school. Okay. This is oversold. CCI is oversold, guys. We see divergence here. And we see a bullish hammer straight from weekly L3 support. So that is why I entered a trade. I am maybe a little bit late, but again, it's still nothing because my target is higher for this counter trend trade opportunity. If you want to trade these guys, 150, first target is here. If it breaks 150.50, then you need to move your stop loss here and secure a free ride, okay, because you will be in profit. And if it gets that, final target is 150.92, final target. But as I say, it's dangerous. It's really dangerous, guys. And if you want to do it, then do it. But, you know, it's a little bit really, as I say, it's completely counter trend trade. And some traders might not like it because of the big stop, 60 pip stop loss. Okay? I really need to take care of all of you guys because I know that a lot of traders don't have big accounts. Some traders have smaller accounts. Some traders actually are afraid to trade these fast moving pairs. So really, guys, I mean, I did this, but I didn't tell you that you should do it also. When I release my counter trend trading module, Camarilla MACD traders, all of you guys, you will know what to do. But now this is purely based on price action trading school module. Okay, and it's counter trend, but you know it's not very, very safe. I would still go with dollar yen. I would like to see an entry in the zone, and I could sell it probably here, but I still need a confirmation around 35, and I need the confirmation that it will actually sell. And this could be a sell there, indeed. Albert is asking, how can I get the price action trading school template? Just send me an email, and it's for free, guys. Price action trading school template is completely free. So you can have it. Camarilla MACD is not free, guys. Camarilla MACD is paid method, but price action trading school template is completely free. So yes, just request it and I will send it. You see how it's rejecting? That is, I did a trade. I can allow, my account is really big enough. I can allow for, I don't know, for 500 pip stop loss, but it doesn't matter, guys. It's still like, you know, this is counter trend trade based on this. And I would still like to see my entry on Camarilla MACD counter trend trend entry on euro dollar or dollar yen. But I really need to see a deeper pullback, possibly here, and then a reversal candle, or Camarilla MACD traders would also have a signal, whatever. If it happens now, I will tell you, go short. But let's wait, guys. Let's wait. We really need to wait for all to actually align. We need to wait for alignment. Okay, the question dollar CAD. Let me check the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, okay. Let's see, dollar CAD. Yeah, we have a bearish daily. Completely watch this candle, guys. Now, there are a couple of opportunities on dollar CAD. If you know about my high volatility trading, you need to wait for retracement. So yeah, this could be, but this is daily candle, so it would need a big pullback to sell it. For intraday trades, it's a retracement on 4-hour time frame. Retracement on 4-hour time frame. This is bearish, and I would say sell. If it gets there to this region, 27.17 to 27 ATR top and dynamic indicator 40. So this could be a sell. 27.20, 27.17, 27.40. From this spot here, yes, I think it could sell. Definitely. So watch for that, guys. Watch for that. It could happen indeed. And yes, there is rate decision, 4 p.m. Very careful, guys. I say I gave you a trade idea just if it respects, but I'm not sure if this will be respected because of BOC rate decision. I almost forgot about it, Robert. Thank you for reminding me. Definitely, guys. Definitely. Now I will open the calendar. Yes, yes. Completely agree, guys. Calendar here. And yes, be careful. This will move the market. You need to be careful, guys. CAD rate decision, guys. So technically speaking, wait. I would say this could reject here. But you know how? I would like to see a slow grind. A slow grind towards this level here, this zone. And then, bang, we could see a probable sell. Now I'm watching for dollar yen because maybe we could see a dollar yen short trade soon, but let's see daily candle. Yeah, it's like daily now is going up again, but definitely this is very indecisive candle. Very indecisive candle. 4-hour lost it. Yeah, it's still rejecting. So we might see a sell trade soon, but let's wait. Let's wait it. If it will pull back, maybe a slightly higher pullback. We really need to wait. It's very, guys, when you have rate decision days, as we have today, markets can be a bit nervous because CAD decision, okay, will impact all of CAD basket, dollar CAD, guys, okay, and also it will impact probably some yen pairs because of intermarket correlation. Guys, crude oil inventories, huge impact on dollar CAD and pound yen. So CAD is not that safe to trade. Okay, be careful. So still, I would like to see this possible sell here. And potentially this is even better, euro dollar. Pay attention to this. This could be the best. Euro dollar. Let's wait. This is very important. Okay, guys. So basically, we are waiting for the price to develop. Okay? Be careful. As I say, it's of utmost importance that you understand how the price can develop. If you're trading intraday, as I do, then you really need to be safe. Okay, so wait for the price to reach the zone and then trade accordingly. Now we are waiting for dollar yen. I'm still waiting for that to happen. Maybe we will see a trade soon, but Camarilla Magnet traders would know what to do. But for all of you, watch for some reversal patterns there, and entering the zone could be a signal to go short. But due to some news on dollar CAD, it's better to trade euro dollar. Euro dollar will not be that, it will not have that big impact as dollar CAD, pound yen, and possibly dollar yen. So that is why I'm saying be careful. And finally, GBP dollar. We had a buy trade on GBP dollar on session recap, and you could have made some nice pips on buy, but now it turned to sell. So I would like to see a sell on GBP dollar. And yes, guys, this is a sell here. Definitely this is a sell here. And I think that definitely this is a sell trade on GBP dollar. And yeah, but it's already okay. It's going down. I would go, guys, with a market order. Yeah. This I would no. It's already started selling. I'm too late now. This is a sell trade. It happened here, guys. Exactly at this spot. So that is why I'm saying this is missed trade for me. So if it starts going up now, then I might make a sell trade. But definitely this was a sell here. Unfortunately now it's going down. So I might stop my counter trade trading opportunity and try for a sell trade on pound yen also, because they have a correlation. But either way, guys, this is a sell here, and yeah, I mean, even now it could go down. Even now it can go down. And yeah, okay, so what can I say? Too late. 33.80 to 33.90 was a sell. It's 15 pips already down. Well, we cannot trade everything. Right, guys? We cannot trade everything. So, yeah. Okay. And dollar yen here. It's trying to reject. We could see a sell soon. And, guys, this is my market order. Reverse trade completely now on I have a sell. This is my sell trade. I don't want to make a counter trend trade. This is a sell trade on pound yen. Okay, this is trading. Well, I closed my trade for some 10 pip loss. It's not much, but I will be trading this now. And if it happens, guys, if you want to join in, your zone for this trade is 150 18 to 150 30. Okay, so sell trade is 150 18, 150 30. Okay, stop loss is it needs to be higher. Stop loss is above this high here, so it's 55, and target price is 149.50. So I'm in a pound yen trade. This is market order. Please use lower risk. Okay, and let's see. So okay, so guys, it's a sell trade definitely here. Okay, pound yen, just give me a few seconds to answer question, guys. A lot of questions definitely here. Okay, so pound yen again, guys. Pound yen sell 150.15 to 35. Stop loss is 150.55. TP is 149.50. Use lower risk. Okay. Use lower risk. It's in the zone, and that is it. And last question for today. So you need to use low risk, guys. Okay. Last question for today. Euro GBP. Not a clear trend here. It's, you see, it's whipsaw. Up, down, up, down, up, down. I don't see anything on Euro GBP. I don't like this. Up, down, up, down. It can go up, but it can also reject. A lot of, it's called shark tooth. I don't like it really. A lot of indefined market movement. So let's see, guys. One market order has been placed, but it's very hectic. You really need to be very careful, guys. Let's see what we will have. The price is in the zone. Manage your trade. Use lower risk. And let's see. Pound yen, slightly riskier trade. This could be better trade. And please, guys, this is a little bit better than pound yen simply because it's not that volatile, and all of these news that will happen in an hour will not have that big impact on euro dollar. Tips for trading: always trade lower risk. Use, if you can, 1 to 2% per trade, maximum 5% per trade of the risk. So please follow low risk profile, especially on Wednesday. Wednesday is big day for trading. It can be very risky to trade. So please use low risk. Thank you guys for listening. I will be here with you soon. Let's see what will happen. And when you are in profit, protect your trades. Wednesday is dangerous indeed, but that is why we have actually our session recaps, so we can also trade on Wednesday. Why not? Real traders are never afraid of taking positions when they see the right opportunity. And Wednesdays can be good, even better than Fridays. Fridays are days when you might stay out of trading. Thank you, guys. Ilya is saying he's going to dentist. Wish me luck. Good luck. Of course, it's a good, you always need to take care of yourself, of your teeth. It's very important. And yes, that's true. So please be careful. Cheers, guys. Talk to you soon. Trade safe.